sharing some good news. Did you see the local news this morning?
No, I missed it. Was there anything interesting?
Yes, they're building a huge new park downtown.
Oh, that sounds absolutely wonderful.
The article said it will have long bike paths.
That's fantastic news. I love biking on weekends.
I actually biked to work today.
Even with the rain, it looked a bit wet outside.
It was just a light drizzle. The ride was refreshing.
That's good. The new paths will be great for you then.
I hope so. The article said it opens next summer.
That seems very fast for such a large project.
I thought so too. I hope they do a good job.
Me too. Quality is more important than speed.
Definitely. I just wonder if it will be very crowded.
It probably will be, especially when it first opens.
Like the city's main park on a sunny Saturday.
Exactly. Everyone will want to go and see it.
But maybe it will make other parks less busy.
That's a very good point. I hadn't thought of that.
It could spread people out more across the city.
That would be a nice result for everyone.
The news also said a local company is funding it.
It's nice when companies give back to the community.
I agree completely. It shows they really care.
It certainly does. It builds a positive image.
I read about it while I was having my coffee.
You are more productive in the morning than I am.
I try. It was a very short article.
Well, thanks for sharing the good news with me.
Of course, it's nice to hear something positive.
It really is. There is too much bad news lately.
I feel the same way. This was a pleasant surprise.
So, are you going to use the park a lot?
For sure. My apartment is not too far from there.
That is very convenient for you.
How about you? Will you go check it out?
Yes, I think I will. I'm curious to see it.
Great. Well, I should probably get back to work.
Me too. My emails are waiting for me.
All right, let's talk again later.
Sounds good. Have a great day.
I'm sorry I'm late, Sarah. I am so sorry I'm late.
Mark, hi. Don't worry about it.
The rain started suddenly. I got stuck.
I saw. The weather is quite bad today.
I know, but I still feel bad about it.
It's really okay. I've got a book.
You really shouldn't worry. Did you run here?
No, I had to take a crowded bus.
I plan to bike here today.
That explains it. Biking in rain is not fun.
Are you really okay? You look a bit stressed.
Just a little. I dislike being late.
Thank you for waiting for me.
Of course. That's what friends do.
Let me get your next coffee.
You don't have to do that.
I want to. It's the least I can do.
Well, if you insist. Thank you.
What would you like to drink?
I'll just have another black coffee.
Okay, one black coffee coming up.
Great. I'll save our table here.
Here you go. One fresh coffee.
Thanks, Mark. That's very kind.
Seriously, don't feel bad about the time.
Thanks. I appreciate your patience.
Patience is important. So, how was your morning?
It was good besides the bus ride.
I can imagine. A bus is not a bike.
Definitely not. Much slower today.
Did you have a busy morning at work?
Not too busy. I finished my main task.
That's great. What about you?
I had a productive morning too.
I finished my report ahead of schedule.
That must be a good feeling.
Yes, it is. Now I can relax a bit.
Me too. This coffee helps a lot.
This place is nice and cozy.
Yes, it's perfect for a rainy day.
I'm glad we could still meet.
Me too. A little rain can't stop us.
That's the spirit. Thanks again, Sarah.
Anytime, Mark. Now tell me about your week.
A colleague's headache. You look a bit tired. Is everything all right?
To be honest, I have a terrible headache.
I'm sorry to hear that. Where does it hurt?
It feels like it's right behind my eyes.
That sounds unpleasant. Have you taken any medicine?
Not yet. I don't like taking pills at work.
I understand. Maybe it's from the computer screen?
I think you might be right about that.
Staring at a screen all day is hard on the eyes.
It really is. My eyes feel very heavy.
You should take a short break from your work.
I know, but I have so much to do today.
Your health is more important. Let's get some fresh air.
That's a good idea. Is it still raining outside?
Just a little bit. A short walk might help clear your head.
Okay, you've convinced me. I need a break.
Great. We can grab a quick coffee too if you like.
A warm coffee sounds really nice right now.
The shop on the corner makes great lattes.
Perfect. Let me just get my jacket.
Do you get these headaches often?
Sometimes, especially when I am very focused.
I get them too. Stress is a big factor for me.
Yes, stress definitely makes everything feel worse.
You should try to rest your eyes more often.
I will try to remember that. It's a bad habit.
There is a simple rule. It's called the 20-20-20 rule.
Oh, I have never heard of that before.
Every 20 minutes, you look at something 20 feet away.
And you look at it for 20 seconds?
Exactly. It helps your eye muscles relax a lot.
That sounds very useful. Thanks for the tip.
Of course, we need to look out for each other.
I appreciate that. Thank you, Mark.
No problem at all, Sarah. Are you ready to go?
Yes, I am ready. Let's go now.
Let's get you feeling better soon.
I hope so. Thanks again for your kindness.
Anytime. Let's go get that coffee.
Okay, let's go. I'm looking forward to it.
Bargain hunting. Mark. Sarah? Is that you?
Sarah, Mark, what a surprise to see you here.
Mark. I know, right? The sale is very busy.
Sarah, yes, everyone loves a good bargain.
Mark, are you looking for anything special?
Sarah, not really. I'm just browsing the deals.
Mark, I'm trying to find a new coffee maker.
Sarah, oh, I saw some over there.
Mark, the prices look good, but is the quality okay?
Sarah, that's always the question with sales.
Mark, exactly. Sometimes cheap things are not good.
Sarah, I agree. We should be careful shoppers.
Mark, I biked here in the rain for this.
Sarah, you bite. You must be very dedicated.
Mark, I needed the exercise and the coffee.
Sarah, a good coffee maker is a great investment.
Mark, what do you think of this one?
Sarah, it looks modern. What are the features?
Mark, it has a timer and a milk frother.
Sarah, that sounds useful. Is the discount big?
Mark, it's 50% off. It seems like a great deal.
Sarah, 50% is a very good discount.
Mark, but is it a brand I can trust?
Sarah, let me check the reviews online quickly.
Mark, oh, that's a brilliant idea. Thank you.
Sarah, no problem. I always do this before buying.
Mark, so what do people say about it?
Sarah, the reviews are mostly positive. Good choice.
Mark, great. I think I will get it then.
Sarah, I'm happy I could help you decide.
Mark, you're a very smart shopper, Sarah.
Sarah, I just like to spend my money wisely.
Mark, me too. I have a strict budget today.
Sarah, same here. It's easy to overspend at sales.
Mark, have you found anything interesting for yourself?
Sarah, I found a nice jacket. It's also 50% off.
Mark, that's fantastic. It will be useful for rainy days.
Sarah, yes, especially with this city's weather.
Mark, it's good that we ran into each other.
Sarah, it is. Shopping is more fun with a friend.
Mark, do you want to grab a coffee after this?
Sarah, I'd love to. Let's finish our shopping first.
Mark, sounds like a plan. I'll meet you at the checkout.
Sarah, okay, see you there in a bit.
Asking for directions to the library. Excuse me, I'm a bit lost.
Oh, I can try to help you.
I'm looking for the public library.
The main library. Yes, I know it.
Is it far from here?
Not really. It's about a 10-minute walk.
Could you please give me directions?
Of course. Go straight down this street.
Okay, I will go straight ahead.
Then turn left at the big coffee shop.
Is the coffee shop easy to see?
Yes, it has a big green sign.
A green sign. I'll look for it.
After you turn left, walk 2 more blocks.
So I should pass 2 streets, right?
Exactly. The library will be on your right.
On my right. That sounds simple.
You can't miss it. It's a large brick building.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Are you new here?
Yes, I just moved here for a new job.
Welcome to the city. I hope you like it.
It seems nice but a bit rainy today.
Yes, the weather changes often here.
I guess I should get used to it.
A good umbrella is very useful.
That's a great tip. Thank you.
The library is a good place for a rainy day.
Why do you say that?
It has a very cozy cafe inside.
Oh, that's good to know.
They serve excellent coffee and pastries.
That sounds perfect for today.
It is. I go there sometimes to read.
Am I keeping you from something?
No, not at all. I'm just waiting for a friend.
Well, thank you again for your time.
It was no trouble at all.
So, straight, then left at the coffee shop.
Yes, then 2 blocks, and it's on your right.
I think I can find it now.
Great! Be careful. The sidewalks are a bit wet.
I will. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Enjoy the library.